Oh hi guys, here's a new update and it's really cool. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Thinking that is getting older right now. Anyways, let's show you the items. Nah. Go to the gun. I think there is a new gun. Chicken gun is gonna be really good. I'm gonna buy these later. No, always. Okay, I like weird in the suit. I'm gonna see new cars. Oh my gosh, they have a ton. What is this one? Oh, I really want to buy this one. Oh, they have a ton. Oh yeah, I would buy these too. See the new hats. I wonder what the new hats are. Ooh, party. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Ooh, they have a ton here too. But not a lot. Okay. Okay. So, where are the new beaks? Okay. 1, 2. Well, this one is kind of weird. I think it's a new version of this thing. Right over here. Yeah, this is Chica, but it's not mine. Oh no. Oh yeah, right. Okay. Skip that. Ooh. Are these the new ones? Or are they from the... Yeah, I don't think these are the ones. Wait, I think these are new. Let's see the new mobs. What? Oh my gosh. Is this Baby Shark? That's kind of weird. What is this one? Ooh, okay. See that, bro? Oh my gosh, no, not. Let's see this. Oh, look at these. What? It was true, but it's kind of weird, by the way. Okay. Also, I got a new outfit, and I have these new wings from last update. Okay. Nah. Wait, there's an... Oh, man, gee. What is this map? Okay, I gotta check it out. But first, I gotta make a sandbox. Free mode. Oh my gosh. There's so many maps. Town, 3, and 2. What in the world? This is so big. What? Oh wait, you can go through these. Just not these thick ones. Oh my gosh, this is so big. They really replaced a lot of items. It doesn't look normal anymore. Ooh, there's the guitars. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? There's a ton of them. Okay, these eggs are nothing. You're telling me that everything they said was true? Oh my gosh. This one was true. Yeah, this one is the only one that's true. What? Okay, we gotta go and get a nice view. Gotta go really high. Okay, it's too high that I can't see. Oh my gosh. This map is so big. Okay, let's check out the next map. Pirate Island. Oh, this looks more like an island. Let me use my plane again just as last time. Just a bit higher. Okay. Why did my plane stop there? Anyways. How big is this map? Okay, let's check out the next one. It gets too long to explore. Town 2. Oh my gosh, what is this? Yeah, I told you. Yeah, there's so many. Whoa. Hey yo, what is that thing? Okay, what is this one? Ooh. Okay, wait. There's new. Oh my gosh, what is this thing? Okay, it's even the size of me. Well, not until my hand this one stops. It's not done. But this one is big. And it's also movable. Okay, anyways, bye guys. That's all.